Rick has always been one of my best friends. He's a brother. And this is an honor for me to read this about his military career. Rick K. Lonzo joined the National Guard, Headquarters Battery, 222nd Field Artillery, February 6th of 1971. I was in the wire section. May 27th, 1971, I graduated from high school. 2 weeks later, I was on my way to basic training at Fort Lewis, Washington. I was 17 years old. It was a great experience at Fort Lewis for the next 2 months. Then we went to Fort Ord, California for about 2 months for wire school. For the next 6 years, I served in Headquarters Battery, 222nd Field Artillery in Cedar City. I made the rank of Spec 4 in the wire section. During this time, I got to see and experience a lot of different things. Then I got out after my first enlistment. I was out for about 2 years, then I got back in and made the decision to make the military a career. For the next 4 years, I made Sergeant Team Chief E5 and then Section E6 over the wire section. I was over about 20 soldiers at the time, and then I was promoted to SFC E7 in the combo section. At this time I went to a lot of different trainings and went to a lot of different Army bases across the country. Then I made Master Sergeant E8 over the BN combo section. Then I was asked to go to St. George Sea Battery and become the first sergeant over about 110 soldiers. I agreed, and over the next 6 years, this is a great time in my career. I met a lot of outstanding soldiers. I have attended a lot of schools and trainings. My next assignment was at Camp Williams working for the 640th RTI. It's a training unit that trains soldiers from all over the country. For the next 5 years, I helped train soldiers on many different tasks and courses. I met outstanding soldiers during this time. My next duty station was back at Headquarters, 222nd Field Artillery as the first sergeant. This is what I wanted. I wanted to come back to where I started, my career in the National Guard 30 years later. We got the call to get ready to deploy to Iraq the evening before Thanksgiving in 2004. On January 3rd, 2005, we left for Camp Shelby, Mississippi for 5 months of training, and we trained very hard. I was over 170 soldiers. Then we went to Fort Irwin, California for 30 days, and the training was extremely hard and difficult. Then it was back to Shelby and then to Iraq for 12 months. It was a great experience. It was very hard, and it was damn scary. Then when I got home, I stayed with Headquarters, 222nd for 1 more year. After that, I went back to RTI at Camp Williams and taught first sergeant courses for the last 7 years. I will retire in October of this year with 41 years of service in the Utah National Guard. I have met a lot of fine soldiers and trained a lot of soldiers. It has been a great ride, and I will remember it forever. I have been all over the world in my military career, including Ireland, Germany, Kuwait, Iraq, Syria, the states of Washington, California, Wyoming, Arizona, Texas, Iowa, Mississippi, Florida, Georgia, Oklahoma, and Nevada. I would like to say thanks to my family for the support they have given me over the years, to my wonderful wife. I had to miss a lot of special occasions while I've been gone, for she has totally supported me in this calling in life. Thanks, Wendy. And Justin, taking care of things at home when I have been gone, for always checking on his mom and supporting me wholeheartedly. Thank you, and I love you all. First Sergeant Lonzo.